Hello, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a quick fix on the Fiesta. It's a 1.6 TDCi, and it seems to be a common problem after I've looked into it, is the rear silencer snaps and it's blowing like a blowy thing. So because it was a Sunday, my daughter took the car to Kwik to have a look at, and it was raining, so they quoted £380 for a new back box and a centre pipe, because they said they needed a centre pipe. I thought, I didn't really know the prices, so I did a quick Google, and you can buy a centre pipe for 40 quid and a rear box for about 50 odd. That's a hell of a markup. So anyway, we decided in the end to fit it ourselves, and she bought a Hornet stainless steel twin pipe box in the end for 140 odd quid, and the centre pipe. So I've just jacked the car up, taken the exhaust off, and let me show you what I found. So there you can see it snapped coming out the back box. So why would you need your centre pipe? The centre pipe's like down here somewhere. I'll show you. There's the new one, look. So there's the end of the centre pipe, where that clamp is, and you can see it goes all the way over there. That's the old bit of the back box pipe. This is the centre pipe. There's nothing wrong with it. So why were Kwik trying to charge for something that wasn't needed to be done? Hey Mr. Kwik. Anyway, so we're not going to change the centre pipe, because there's nothing wrong with it. It looks good condition. So we're just going to undo that clamp, get that pipe off, and then fit the new Hornet. And I'll do a video sound of the Hornet box once it's on.